Welcome to Man Does Tech, where I solve the problems you didn't even know you had.
In this video, I will explain how to make delicious green split pea soup. First, let's talk about the peas themselves. Soaking your green split peas overnight is a crucial step that dramatically cuts down on your cooking time, often by half. Remember to rinse them well before soaking and again before you start cooking. Just 1 cup of dried split peas will expand to give you approximately 3 cups of cooked peas, providing a hearty base for your soup. This simple preparation makes a big difference. Now, let's gather our essential ingredients to build that incredible flavor. You'll want to start with a classic mirepoix, finely diced carrots, celery, and onions, which create a foundational aromatic base. For that signature smoky, savory depth, consider adding a smoked ham hock or some diced bacon. Finally, you'll need about 6 to 8 cups of good quality vegetable or chicken broth to ensure your soup has the perfect consistency and rich flavor. These components are key. Once your ingredients are prepped, it's time to bring everything together for a gentle simmer. Allow your soup to cook for at least 45 minutes, or until the green split peas are wonderfully tender and begin to break down. Remember to stir it occasionally to prevent sticking and ensure even cooking. For a smoother texture, you can use an immersion blender directly in the pot, or simply mash some of the peas against the side. This helps achieve that lovely, creamy consistency we all enjoy. Finally, it's time for those crucial finishing touches. Taste and adjust the seasoning with salt and freshly ground black pepper. A sprinkle of fresh herbs like parsley or thyme adds beautiful aroma and color. For brightness, a small squeeze of fresh lemon juice right before serving truly awakens all the flavors. Serve your piping hot green split pea soup with crusty bread for a comforting and complete meal. Enjoy every spoonful.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.